In this video, I'll show you how you can see deleted search history in Google Chrome. So right now I'm on the Chrome history page, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete all of my history here for yesterday. So we'll start at the top, and then we'll go all the way down to the bottom here. We'll highlight all of it, and then we'll click on delete, and then delete again. Now we've deleted all of our history. Now we can go ahead and view it again. Now there is a trick that you can do to do this. So if you go to Google, your Google history and your search history are most likely connected. So if you're already logged into a Google account, you can go to your Google account in the top right-hand corner of Google. You can then go to manage your account, then go to data and privacy, then go to my activity. Then if you scroll down, you'll be able to see today's history, and you can filter this for any day that you want. So I'm just going to filter it for yesterday. You can also filter it for products or any services like search, images, or YouTube. But here you can see we've now filtered for yesterday, and we've still got our yesterday's history, which we've just deleted on Chrome. So this works if your history has been deleted from Chrome, but you still want to be able to see it and restore it. You can also scroll down and go to web and app activity, and then filter for specific apps like Google search and so on if you click view all.